Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on Mercedes C300. So first of all, we have to remove the air duct by first spinning this one 90 degrees, lift this end up and the other end to remove it. Then loosen the clamp and also unplug the map sensor connector. There's a safety clip, we have to pull it backward and then press down the clip to unplug the map sensor connector. So after the clamp already loose, the map sensor already unplugged, then we got to remove two screws. It's a 25 Torx. Then we replace the engine air filter. Carefully insert it in. Sorry, I gotta use two hands to put it in to make sure that it sits properly onto the below part of engine air filter. So make sure that it sits properly by running your hands along the edges, and then do everything in reverse. And finally, we have to check if the top part of the engine air filter housing sit properly onto the below part. Also, the map sensor connector already plugged in, and this part also make sure that's all sitting in correctly. So the best is run the finger to make sure that there's no gap. And that's it. The last one is put back the air ducts, but I'm gonna change the oil. That's why I have to remove and replace the oil filter over there. So I just leave it like that. So thank you for watching.